Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sheenam Bansal. So today I will speak about leg swelling. See, I will talk about the points which are relevant to your AIMS examination. First of all, your significance of leg swelling varies according to age, whether it's unilateral or bilateral, whether it's sudden in onset or gradual in onset. Many cases may be physiological. Physiological reasons include your dependency on gravitational forces, prolonged sitting, standing, or walking, hot weather, pregnancy, and it may be due to mechanical constricting, like you are wearing the clothes which are constricting your leg, thigh, etc. So it may be due to some body problems like chronic venous insufficiency, CHF, NSAIDs, drugs like steroids, NSAIDs, and your beta blockers, calcium antagonist. It may be due to local trauma or obesity.
A female more than 40 years presented to you with the sudden swelling of leg. Now what will you think? It cannot be lipoedema cause it is involving the foot. It can be lymphatic obstruction cause it is involving the foot. So you have to rule out each and every cause. Never miss vascular disease, infection, cancer and other diseases. Often you miss idiopathic edema, periodic or cyclic, protein losing enteropathy, example Crohn's disease, lipoedema of legs, fat and fluids, lipedema, factitious edema. Now I will give you a checklist. You have to check whether patient is having diabetes, thyroid, drug history, anemia. If the onset of edema is acute, often less than 72 hours, suspect DVT. DVT must be considered in all unilateral cases and USG examination performed if appropriate. If DVT is present, consider occult malignancy, example pancreatic cancer. Consider pelvic carcinoma causing lymphatic obstruction in a woman more than 40 years presenting with painless unilateral leg edema. Pitting edema is a feature of venous thrombosis or insufficiency, not lymphatic obstruction. Now, investigations. You will go for urine analysis, especially albumin, ESR, serum electrolytes, urea creat, blood sugar, serum albumin, LFTs, TSH level, USG to screening of DVT. Radiograph, CT scan, venogram. Now calf swelling of sudden onset. In calf swelling of sudden onset, causes to consider are acute arterial occlusion, ruptured Baker cyst, ruptured medial head of gastrocnemius, DVT, cellulitis, compartment syndrome. Pain accompanies most of these conditions, but the absence of pain does not exclude DVT or thrombophlebitis. Lipoedema or lipedema is the development of bilateral leg swelling that does not involve the feet. In lymphedema, the swelling develops in the most distal part of foot. Lipoedema is fat and fluid. Clinical features are exclusive to obese women, spares of feet, bilateral and symmetrical distribution of fat. Legs are often painful and bruise easily. The stemmer sign, that is the ability to pick up a fold of skin at the base of the large toe, is usually negative. So these are your features of lipoedema. With this, I end my today's session. Thank you so much for watching.